The death toll of the Wuhan coronavirus has risen to 170, and the number of confirmed new cases has grown to more than 7,000. The outbreak started in Wuhan City in December 2019. Now it's reached every corner of China and hit over a dozen other countries around the world. But here's how this outbreak compares to others. Both the SARS and Wuhan outbreaks started in China and are believed to have originated from wild animal markets. During the 2002 to 2003 period of infection for SARS, there were nearly 8,098 reported cases and 774 deaths. The Ebola virus was first discovered in 1976 near the Ebola River, in what is now the Democratic Republic of Congo. Since then, the virus has been infecting people from time to time. The largest outbreak was in West Africa and occurred from December 2013 to January 2016, with 28,646 cases and 11,323 deaths. The bird flu, an illness that usually affects only birds, was first identified in Italy in the early 1900s. The first documented case of human infection was in Hong Kong in 1997, killing 6 people. Since 2003, there have been 2,178 confirmed human cases and 976 deaths worldwide. The first identification of swine flu as a disease in pigs occurred in 1930. There was a pandemic outbreak across the globe, which lasted from 2009 to 2010. A 2012 study estimated a range between 151,700 and 575,400 deaths.